Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between Binance and Kraken, two of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, choosing the right platform is crucial. Let's break down the key differences to help you make an informed decision. Binance, founded in 2017, has grown to become the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, boasting over 200 million users and supporting more than 350 cryptocurrencies across 1,700 trading pairs. Its comprehensive ecosystem includes spot trading, futures, staking, NFTs, and a launchpad for new tokens. Kraken, established in 2011, is renowned for its strong security measures and focus on compliance. It offers over 240 cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies for trading, making it a robust option for investors worldwide. Fees and trading costs. Binance employs a tiered fee structure, with spot trading fees starting at 0.1% for both makers and takers. Users can reduce these fees by 25% when paying with Binance Coin, BNB. Futures trading fees are even lower, starting at 0.02% for makers and 0.04% for takers, with further discounts available for high-volume traders through its VIP program. Kraken operates on a maker-taker fee model, with fees ranging from 0% to 0.26% based on your trading volume. For instance, maker fees can be as low as 0% for high-volume traders, while taker fees can go up to 0.26% for lower-volume users. Cryptocurrency exchanges.cas. My take. Both platforms offer competitive fee structures, but Binance's additional discounts through BNB and its extensive VIP tiers may provide more savings for high-volume traders. Security and regulation. Binance has faced regulatory challenges in various jurisdictions but continues to work towards compliance. It employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of funds, and a secure asset fund for users, SAFU, to protect users in extreme cases. Kraken is known for its strong security protocols, including 2FA, cold storage, and regular security audits. It has a reputation for being one of the most secure exchanges in the industry. My take. Both exchanges prioritize user security, but Kraken's proactive approach to regulatory compliance and transparent operations may instill greater confidence among users concerned about legal protections. Supported cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. Binance boasts support for over 350 cryptocurrencies and 1,700 trading pairs, offering traders a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, including many new and emerging tokens. Kraken provides access to over 240 cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies for trading, focusing on popular and high-liquidity assets. My take. If you're looking for a broader range of cryptocurrencies and early access to new tokens, Binance has the edge. However, Kraken's curated selection caters well to traders seeking simplicity and guidance. Mobile app experience. Binance's mobile app is feature-rich, offering advanced trading tools, real-time charts, and customizable dashboards. It's designed for traders who require comprehensive functionalities on the go. Kraken's mobile app emphasizes user-friendliness, providing essential trading features in an intuitive interface. It's particularly suitable for those new to trading or those who prefer a streamlined experience. My take. For advanced traders needing a wide array of tools, Binance's app is more suitable. For beginners or those valuing simplicity, Kraken's app offers a more accessible entry point. Educational resources and community support. Binance offers extensive educational materials, including tutorials, webinars, and articles, to help users enhance their trading knowledge. Its large user base fosters a vibrant community for support and discussion. Kraken provides educational content focused on derivatives trading and risk management, catering to its core user base. It also hosts trading competitions and community events to engage users. My take. Binance's broader range of resources supports traders at all levels, while Kraken's targeted content is beneficial for those specifically interested in derivatives trading. Final verdict. Which should you choose? Choose Binance if you seek a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. Lower fees and additional discounts are important to you. You value a platform with extensive regulatory compliance and security measures. Choose Kraken if you focus primarily on derivatives trading with high leverage, a user-friendly interface is a priority. You prefer a platform with a strong emphasis on futures markets and copy trading features. Ready to start trading? Sign up for Binance. Referral link in description. Join Kraken. Referral link in description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Let's navigate the crypto space together. Until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.